If you're not sitting down for this one, you better be, because get ready for some sticker shock. Ow. Brava shake is going to be anywhere from $2,000 to $2,400 per square installed. On a lot of homes we do, average home, 40 squares, so you can do the math, 80, 100, 120K is usually where I would say our average Brava client goes. We have done homes that are $350,000 with, just tons of detail. And I personally understand shopping for a luxury car, if you're in the European car market and you're shopping for a BMW or a Mercedes, I understand wanting to get that car at the price of a Honda. Well, the problem in roofing versus cars is you can look at a Honda and you can look at a BMW or Mercedes, and it's very obvious that those are not the same cars. You can look at a Brava quote from one company and another Brava quote from a different company. Not so obvious. They look the same. They both say Brava. They both say cedar shake. They both say synthetic underlayment. So how? Why is one company $2,000 or $2,200 a square and another company's at $1,550? I understand wanting to go with that. That's a massive swing. It does not exist. I hope that doesn't sound abrasive, but I want to be pretty blunt about this. Arguably, the most important factors that go into your cost are not going to have individual line items. So that's going to be the crew that's installing. Do they have any experience? And then what is the level of supervision and oversight? Followed by what is the total experience that the company's trying to give you? And is the company that's responsible for the project certified by Brava? And then to what level? Those are massive details when you're spending $100 or $150 or more on a roof. Okay, check this out. In the middle of editing this video, we had a homeowner reach out. They spent $200,000 on their synthetic roof. The entire thing has failed. It was installed wrong. It's completely workmanship issue. The company that they chose is not standing behind it. So now they're engaging attorneys. They're going to have this huge legal battle, huge headache, all the while their roof has failed. This is exactly what we're talking about, and this is the position you do not want to be in. Depending on the complexity of the job, depending on how much waste is actually going to be involved to install it correctly, depending on are you using solid tiles or not using solid tiles. That's a big question to answer on your average home. It's a $10,000 price swing just on solids alone. What kind of underlayments are being done? Are you using custom edge metals? What are you doing in the valley situation? And I'm seeing customers get confused. Luckily, we've had really great clients that have allowed us to dialogue with them and save them from getting burned. Here's what I'll tell you. If you're entertaining those low bids on Brava, buyer beware. Save our number, call us when you need it fixed. But I'm not rolling the dice with that big of an investment. There's just no way. Again, buying a BMW at the price of a Honda is not a real thing. If it is and I'm wrong, please let me know so I can make that purchase.